Thank you for choosing to work with Air Comfort, Heating and Air. Now that you have chosen one of our high-efficient systems to be installed in your home, we'd like to go over the next couple of steps so you know what to expect to make this transition as seamless as possible. On the morning of your scheduled installation, we will load up your new equipment and head to your home. Upon arrival, we will set up some protection for your carpet and any areas of concern as to not damage any of your property while we are there. Once everything is set up, our installers are now ready to start taking apart your old equipment. They will also load it up in our install van and dispose of it, so that is one less thing that you have to worry about. Then our installers will start prepping your new system for installation. Once your new equipment is ready, our installers will put your new components in place and start connecting the pieces of equipment. Every HVAC system we install is custom fitted to that home, since every home is unique and different from the next one. Once your new system is fully installed, we will run a number of tests so that we know your equipment is running as efficiently as possible and to keep you as comfortable as you'd like. Then back at the office, we will input all of your warranty information, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Then roughly 6 months after the install, we will come back to your home and check over the whole system again to ensure that it is still operating within specs and as efficient as possible. Here at Air Comfort, we pride ourselves in keeping you safe, comfortable, and saving you money better than anyone else. Thank you again for choosing Air Comfort, Heating and Air.